guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to my channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking it, then definitely go and hit that subscribe button. For the ones who wants additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is a number. For the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can click the link in video description and open your Zerodha or Upstock account. So before I show you my live trading video how I made my loss today, before that, Merry Christmas, advance Merry Christmas to all my friends, brothers and sisters out there. So yeah, tomorrow is the Christmas, so I'm just wishing you in advance. Tomorrow I may be busy, so I will not be able to make a video for you guys. So I thought I will finish off today with a live trade video, considering I have so many personal trade classes. So before you watch the video, just watch how I built my Christmas crib. If you're not yet seen on my Instagram, then you can definitely have a look before watching the video. So I have just taken a position in Zeal as of now. The market is exactly near the neutral zone, dancing at 0.00 itself. So it went up, if you see, a bit up, and then again comes back to the same zero neutral zone. Not sure, it goes a little bit down, again come back to the zero zone. Till now it has not taken any much of direction in buy side or sell side. Till I think 9:30 it was going in upside. After that it has taken a downside formation. Alright, now it has almost come till here, and RSI has reached almost 33, 32. After some time it can correct itself a little bit, and then it can turn up for a green rally. So during that time I'm just waiting a little bit advantage on this stock. So I've just taken around 300.96. So once market returns, this will have a small advantage. Yeah, it can take some time because RSI is in 40. RSI can go further down also. So after the correction, when there will be a turn in MACD also. Red super trend was started just 4-5 minutes back, so it can continue for some time and then take a turn. Till then we have to wait, or else it can turn now also, depending on the market's advantage. Normally what I would suggest is beginners not to trade during this type of time, because a lot of confusion will be there. Market is fluctuating, market is already in the peak, it's going sideways a bit, so be very careful during this period. So if you see, the stock has come down, market has come down a little bit, but the stock has taken a deep down. Okay, so it's for almost 3 rupees stock, so almost 1% it has gone down. So what I have done, I have just added few more funds to the account, and I've just tried to average out with 1000 quantities. If you see, I just added 1000 quantities. So my average price came around 299.57, so that whenever it recovers, or when it goes at least to 299.57, I can exit on cost, can reduce the losses. Or else if it goes above it, at least I can book my 0.3% target. Let's say close to 90 paisa target I can book. So I'm just waiting. So I just averaged out. So I just added 20,000 extra to the account. So just for a safety purpose, 6,000 is still pending. In case if it comes down, little bit more down, after some time again I will add few more shares in a lower area, so that my average will again little bit come down. Later part of the day, whenever the stock recovers, at least it will recover most of my losses in this particular trade, as well as if it is going above, we can book some profit. So little bit of risk also is there. Also, this is one of the method which you can do to avoid your losses or reduce your losses and bring the buy price down. Market is around 0.15, 0.14 negative. Same range almost. So the stock didn't break its own high. So if you see, it went up to 301 again, that's it. Not 0.3%. So movement was very less. So finally the stock has been auto exited. So we waited for the end. At the end it came up to 299, same buy price at which we had bought. So if you see, I had added little bit of quantity, right? So when it came down further, it went up to 295 also. So when it went near 295 again, we had remaining 6,000 rupees. So we bought around 296.20, 295.38 also I bought it because the loss will become big. So what I did, automatically I got it down. So the buy price average went to 299.08. So around 300.70 somewhere in the morning, from 299.08 we got it. Suppose getting that from here, yeah, so the loss was almost gone, like 10,000 something like that, and automatically I added shares, like so we got the shares here, and then we got the average back, and finally exited with a 5,000 loss. So almost for 46,000, let's say it's close to 11 to 12% loss for this particular capital. So we added a capital, right? And yeah, so the thing is, in Upstock it will auto square off before. If it was in Zerodha, I could have waited till 321. So here it got early, around 315 it got squared off. So it has gone up to 399, 299 if you see, but it got squared off before at 297. Considering cover order, the shares got triggered. Okay, so yeah, so it sold around 297.41. So 1.5 rupees difference, that is 0.5% stock below we booked it. So 0.5% loss is nothing but 5,000 loss in this particular trade. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. This is how I tried to average out and reduce my loss when the stock went completely against me till 294 it went. So when it went against me completely, this is how I averaged out at certain prices, and when it came up, I actually squared off. So automatically the losses reduced comparatively. So this is how I did. So it was just a 2 minutes gap. If we would have waited one more 2 minutes, it went to 299. So we could have at least done cost to cost. But anyways, every day is not a lucky day. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.